All right, let's look at the possible answers of June 2024, paper 2, paper 1. Let's look at possible answers for June 2024, paper 1, 100 marks, 30 hours. Here we are. Question 1. Question 1. The graph below shows the number of people from 4 African countries visiting South Africa for various reasons. So reason number 1, for business. Reason number 2, holiday. Reason number 3, study. Some come for business, others come for holiday, others come for study. So we're going to look at these questions here. All right. Name the country with the lowest number of people visiting South Africa for business. You look, business is the dark part. So you look for the one that has the lowest number. The lowest number here. So definitely it's 141, which is Kenya. So we shall say the business, sorry, the country that whose people visit South Africa for business, and it's the lowest, it's what? Kenya. Identify the countries that have the same number of people visiting South Africa for study purposes. So we have this is the study and this same number. So it's Malawi and Zambia. Malawi and Zambia. Write down the country that has the greatest difference in people visiting South Africa for business compared to those compared to those visiting South Africa for holidays. Now, the country that has a big difference, it's Malawi. Because when you subtract the difference between those ones for business versus those ones for holiday, this is too big. There's a big gap here. So the country there, it's what? Malawi. Malawi. Calculate the total number of people visiting South Africa for study purposes. So we shall come from Kenya, sorry, from Malawi, study purposes. So Malawi, we shall add 80, 83, Kenya, 90. So it's 83 plus 98 plus 475. And we shall end with another 83. So when you add everything up, what you get up? So there are 739 people. Okay, go to the next question. Question 1.2. Here, Sam is on a business trip to South Africa. He was informed that one of the top 10 items purchased by people visiting South Africa is rooibos tea. Table 1 below shows the prices including VAT of some rooibos tea items displayed on local tourist shop. A local tourist shop. So what are we going to do? We analyze this. Item A, rooibos tea with 20 tea bags. That costs that costs 40 rand. Then we go to the second item, item B, rooibos tea tin with 40 tea bags at 50 rands. Then we go to rooibos golden tea with 50 pyramid tea bags at 100 rands, and the teapot at 185 rands, and the gift bag at 16 rands. Okay, we come here and see. Determine the price of one tea bag if Samuel buys item B. So item B, here we go. Item B, how many tea bags are there? They are 40. At how much? So we look at the price per rand per tea bag, which is 50 divided by 40, and the answer becomes 1 rand 25 cents. 1 rand 25 cents. 1 rand 25 cents. Write as a simplified ratio the price of item D to the price of item C. So the arrangement is D to C. So what's the price of D? The price of D is 185, and the price of C is 100. So we do that, and the simplified ratio is 37 to 20. Okay, that is it. Then Samuel decided to purchase the following items for his wife: teapot, the pyramid tea bags, then the gift bag. Remember, we looked at them. We are here. It's going to buy a teapot, the gift, and the pyramid. These ones here. So simply meaning we're going to add, because they're saying determine the total cost of his purchase. 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 And we shall say 100 rands for the tea bag, 185 for the teapot, plus 16 for the gift bag. And the answer will become 301 rands, 0 cents. All right. The tourists visiting South Africa needs to convert their local currency to South African rand. ZAR. All right. There we go, and we shall say, once we look at this, we are looking at what we call the exchange rate when it comes to this. Exchange rate. So there we go, and we ask ourselves, the currency, it's from Malawi, Kenya, Namibia, and Zambia. So write down the country whose currency has the same value as South Africa. This is it. So it's the Namibian dollar. The Namibian dollar. Namibian dollar. Then identify the currency that is stronger than South African rand. Now this one we shall use this side here. Because this side here, it's the amount for unit per ZAR. It's fine, you can use either way. But this is from the 1 kwacha, Malawian kwacha equals to this. 1 Kenyan shilling equals to that. 1 Namibian dollar gives you that. And 1 Zambian kwacha gives you that. So which one is weaker than the South African? Sorry? Which identify the currency that is stronger than South African rand. So okay, you can also use this. This one was 1 rand. The strongest is this one here. Because for you here in South Africa, you need 1 rand to make 0.99. So the Zambian kwacha is stronger than the rand. This one's the same as you see 1 pound is equivalent to 24 rand. You see that? Simply meaning this pound is bigger. You need, for only 1 unit, you need a lot. So the pound will be stronger than. So here you see, which is the same as the other way around, whereby if you were to turn it around in one rand, how many, according to this scenario here, this means it will be 1 divided by 24. So you will get 0.04. You see, for a whole number, you need so small for this other side. You see that? So the Zambian kwacha is stronger than the rand. That's the question that we're asking here. Show how the Malawian kwacha of 0.01790 ZAR per unit was determined. Now, this was determined from this other side here. Let me just do this. Doing question number 1.1.1. We are showing how this was determined. It's good from here. This other side says if you only have 1 rand, you have 56,211,355. So what do? We divide through by 6 because we want to know only 1 unit what is there. And that's how they determined the value. They're telling you show how that value was good. This is how they determined that value. All right. The table below shows the data relating to arrival and departure and transit for local and foreign travelers. This data was collected by the Department of Home Affairs at the ports of entry and exit to and from South Africa for 3 selected months. A value P in this table has been omitted. That means it's missing. Value of P, it's here. So write down in words without numerals, without numbers, the total number of travelers for February 2022. The total number of travelers in February 2022, it's this one here. So we are looking at this number here. So this number, you split it into 3. The moment it fits into 3, that means it's a million. So we shall say 1 million. All right. 100 and 5,000 600 80 85. That's what it is in what? Determine the missing value of P. The value of P, it's the total number of travelers. So we shall add these local travelers and we shall add the foreign travelers. So simple, we shall say the value of P equals to 131,693 plus 254,139. So we get the answer as 254,139. That's what we have. Calculate the increase in the number of local travelers from February 2021 to February 2022. The moment you hear increase, simply meaning there was a change, but it was positive. So how do you calculate the increase in the number of local travelers from February to the increase, the change? So all you do is to subtract. So we shall say 1,151,650 minus 38, sorry, 350, it's 385,820. So we do that and we subtract. So the increase is what? 71. We have the question as we have the question as 719,850 53. That is the question there. Wait, it's not. We are looking at local travelers, not all travelers. We're looking at local travelers. Let's go there. Travelers. So we are looking at this number here, this number here. So it should be 359,686 minus 131,600, which is 227,993. All right. State the month and the year in which the highest number of foreign travelers were in transit. The highest number of foreign were in transit. This number here. This is transit, but for foreign travelers. So the highest number is 14,000. So it's Feb 2022.